Welcome back to Geometry Classroom. Today we'll start a new section called Polygons. Our first lesson is Introduction to Polygons. In this lesson, we'll learn how to define a polygon and how to identify a polygon. What is a polygon? The word polygon comes from two Greek other words. Greek word poly means many, and gon meaning angle, right? So in other words, a polygon is a figure, geometric figure, consisting of many angles. But a more, exact definition is a polygon is a closed plane figure bounded and made up of three or more line segments. Polygons have special names depending on the number of sides forming their boundary, right? For example, the most common polygon and let's say the simplest one, the first one is a triangle, right? Then next in increasing order is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon consisting of four sides. Next is a pentagon. A pentagon is a polygon consisting of five sides. Also, next is a hexagon. It has six sides. I'll show you a diagram or a picture for each of them. But a polygon could be regular or irregular or non-regular. Now, what is a regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon that is equiangular and equilateral in the same time. Remember, equiangular means all angles have the same measure. Equilateral, all sides have the same length, right? In other words, a regular polygon is a polygon that has all sides congruent and all interior angles congruent. Examples. As I said, the first one and probably the most common polygon, is an equilateral triangle, right? Why? Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Why? Because all of its sides are congruent, all of its interior angles are congruent. Next, in increasing order, is a square. A square is a regular quadrilateral, right? Why? Because all of its four sides are congruent, all of its four interior angles are congruent and equal to 90. Next is a regular pentagon, right? A pentagon is a polygon consisting of five sides. Next is a hexagon, is a polygon with six sides, and all sides are equal. Next, heptagon, or a regular heptagon. A regular heptagon has seven congruent sides and seven congruent angles. Next, in increasing order, is octagon. Octagon is a shape, a polygon consisting of 8 congruent sides and 8 congruent angles. Next is a nonagon, is a polygon consisting of 9 congruent sides and 9 congruent angles. Next, decagon. Decagon means a polygon consisting of 10 equal sides, but that's for a regular one, and 10 congruent angles. And I give you another one for your information. Dodecagon. Dodecagon is a polygon consisting of 12 sides, for a regular one, 12 congruent sides and 12 congruent angles. Good. This being said, let's have a few examples of worksheet with different types of polygons. For example, in this case, we have to come up with the number of sides and the type of the polygon, the name of the polygon, and what kind of a polygon, regular or irregular. By the way, an irregular polygon is opposite to regular, right? If a regular polygon has all sides congruent, all angles congruent, an irregular polygon has all sides different, all angles different. Let me show you a few examples of irregular, right? For example, this one is an irregular triangle. Why? Because all sides are different, right? And the name of such a triangle is scalene triangle. Example of irregular quadrilaterals are these two, right? A rectangle is a kind of irregular quadrilateral. Yes, this one is called irregular pentagon. Why? Because it has 5 sides that are not equal and 5 angles that are different, right? This one is irregular hexagon. Both, in fact, are irregular hexagons. This is so-called irregular heptagon. And these two are irregular octagons. Why? Because they have 8 sides that are different. Yes? Now, let's go back to our worksheet. Now, first, how many sides are here? We simply count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, you're going to have 7 sides. The name of a polygon consisting of 7 sides is heptagon. What kind of heptagon? Because all sides are congruent and all angles are congruent, is a regular one. Next. Again, we count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And the name of such a polygon is pentagon. And of course is regular because all sides are the same, all angles are the same. Next. Again, we count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. And its name is hexagon. And also is irregular because all sides and all angles are congruent. Next, let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8. The name of such a polygon is octagon. And it also is regular because all sides and angles are the same. Next is a square, right? Because it has 4 sides. So we say square. And of course it's regular, right? Because all sides and all angles are congruent. Then this one we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9. The name of such a polygon is nonagon. And also is irregular because all sides and angles are the same. Good. have this one. Again, we count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another polygon with 8 sides is octagon and is regular, right? Then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a hexagon and is regular. Good. And the last two. Here. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to have 10 sides, and the name is decagon. And is also regular, because all sides are the same, all angles are the same. And the last one is it has 3 sides, and of course is triangle, and also is regular, right? The name of a regular triangle is equilateral triangle. Now, let's have another worksheet. For example, here. What is the name of such a polygon? Of course, we count the number of sides, because the number of sides gives the name of the polygon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So is a heptagon and is a regular one, because all sides are the same, all angles are the same. Next, we count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So is a decagon and is a regular one, right? Why? Because has 10 sides. Here, let's say 7 sides. Next, again, we count the number of sides. Make sure you don't count a side twice, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So has 9 sides and is called nonagon and is regular. Next, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides is a hexagon and is regular. Next, again, we count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, because it has 5 sides, is a pentagon, right? But this time, the pentagon is not regular, but irregular. Why? Because as you can see, sides are different, right? Are not equal or congruent. Yes, anymore. So, is irregular. Next, let's count the number of sides. Let's start with this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 sides. So the name is nonagon and is irregular. Next, again, we count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides and is a hexagon And of course is irregular because all sides are different and angles are different. And the last one, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 sides. And is like the previous one, nonagon irregular. Yes. So that's all we have for today. We'll have another lesson with Polygon soon. Thank you for watching my video.